Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to make a breakfast. Now I had some leftover spinach and feta cheese that I did with my spinach and feta cheese puff pastry. Now that's a separate video, but I have some leftover spinach, and what we're going to do is we're going to make an omelet. And this is so good. Feta cheese and spinach in an omelet. It is absolutely wonderful. Now we're going to pair this with some bacon, and we're going to have a couple pieces of toast. Now the ingredients that you will need are, I'm using Aunt Millie's half loaf, honey grain, Oscar Meyer thick cut bacon. You will need butter. You can use any butter of your choice, and then also you can use any bacon of your choice. You will need 4 eggs to make the omelet. And I have some leftover, let me show you. I have some leftover spinach and feta cheese. So I'm going to make an omelet. Now the first step that I'm going to do is I've got my bacon, my thick cut bacon into my pan right here. And then I'm going to fry it, but you fry yours to your liking. I like mine a little bit extra crispy, but you fry yours to your liking. So that's our first step, is to put the bacon on in. Now look how beautiful, you guys, my bacon looks. Look how good that looks. That is absolutely wonderful. Now see, I like my bacon cooked like this. Anyways, now we're going to do our omelets. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, I'm putting our butter on into the pan right now. Now I've got my 4 eggs in here, and now I'm beating them up, and I'm going to put them into the pan. Now here's my egg mixture I just put on in. See that? There's my egg mixture. Now you put your spinach mixture in. See how I've got it going down the center of the egg? Now I'm just going to wait until the egg is ready. Alright everyone, here is our spinach feta omelet with 3 pieces of bacon, some toast. I have some jelly off to the side, and I'm going to serve it with some tomato tomatoes. Now doesn't that breakfast look good, you guys? This is absolutely wonderful, and it tastes great. Now I want to thank everybody for watching our short video of our leftover spinach feta. Now don't forget to check out my puff pastry video on the spinach and feta. It is very good. And I just took our leftover spinach and just made it into an omelet. Or you can make it into anything else that you want to make it into. I want to thank everybody for watching our short video. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that way every time I come on, you know. I want to thank all the subscribers out there. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.